Hey there. It's been 13 events with this guy. 13 events on a stock motor. And I could not be happier with how this thing performed. But the time has come. We gotta pull the motor. But before we do that, we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna do a compression test to see what condition this thing is in. See if all that abuse has taken its toll on this motor. So let's go ahead, let's go right into it. Okay, so before we go any further, let's go ahead and let's take a moment to see what this guy has been through for the past couple years. 13 events, and I imagine it takes a toll on it. So sit back, grab a beer, let's get into it. Buzzkill, man. I've already taken out the fuse for the fuel pump, so pretty much got to remove all the spark plugs on the coils. I should be ready to go. This is how I deal with spider webs. Spark plugs actually look really good. Cylinder 1, cylinder 2, cylinder 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so got my compression tester. I did drive the car around earlier, but you know me, I take forever to do stuff, so it's cold already. But not gonna add any oil yet. Actually, you really shouldn't be. But what do I know? I'm not a professional. So got my OEM AutoZone compression tester. So let's get right to it. Whoa, 200. Cylinder 2. About 185. So cylinder 1, 200. Cylinder 2, 185. Cylinder 3. Cylinder 3 is about 190. Cylinder 3, 190. Cylinder 4, 190. Cylinder 5, 190. Moment of truth. cylinder 6, 190. Woo! So pretty much 190 across the board. I'm gonna redo cylinder 1 to see what happens. Cylinder 1, test 2. 190. Let's try it one more time. And 190 again. I couldn't be any happier, guys. This is nice. So, you saw it here first, folks. 190 across the board. There was maybe one that was 185. But, I mean, I'm impressed. 13 events. Technically 14 days if you count All-Star Bash, because it was a 2-day event. Rev limiter all the time. I mean, just thrashing this thing. Triple digit weather. A radiator, no oil cooler. I know for a fact I'm overheating this oil. So, well, maybe not, I guess. I mean, it speaks for itself. Oil sample from Blackstone Laboratories checks out. Almost 200,000 miles on this motor. I'm really impressed. I'm really impressed. You know, with the motor in this condition, I might just scrap the 2J build. Maybe I'll just do like a simple 300 horsepower turbo, or like simple supercharger. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Should I keep this motor, or should I toss in the 2JZ and spend how much more money on this thing? That is it for this video, guys. You already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm not going to bore you with that. So, you know what to do. Cut the video.